Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DOLV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today, price action, definitely some updates here needing to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of this green line here. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have, 30 million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First update comes based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 0.012 as the level of resistance, but now that the price is broken up above it, this would be considered an area of support. The ideal area of support going forward, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to hold up above 0.015, that would definitely make the chart look the strongest. I say continue. When you look closely here, you can see on a few different instances there, bears try to press down through there, but the bulls, did a fantastic job of holding strong. Now, if the price does drop below there, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, yeah, staying above 0.015 would definitely be the biggest sign of strength, for the chart. As far as big picture is concerned, and this will be review for those of you that have been watching the videos, but I'll keep on being a broken record. At the end of the day, if you care about the big picture and want to measure the health of this move right here, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword there being moving, so this line will continue to move upwards like that. But as long as the price is above the purple line, bulls are in full health, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? At this point, and I'm sure I'm going to state the obvious to those of you that were watching level 2s today, but it's all about 0.019 up, or looking up here, you can see multiple times the bulls try to press through that level, but there are clearly some sellers sitting up there. So don't get me wrong, just because there's sellers sitting there doesn't mean it can't be broken. But apparently, according to the story of the chart, at this point, the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game to fight up through there. All in all, though, good solid day, and as long as the price keeps on building these higher lows, long-term chart will continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.